We're talking home maintenance today. The 3 tasks that most people forget about or neglect. There's a lot of buildup over time of leaves, twigs, even a bird's nest. It's important to have your water flowing through your downspouts and away from your house. You don't want that water actually seeping into your house, your roof, which could be a moisture issue and possibly even a mold issue down the road. Get your gutters cleaned often. This is the most common cause of heating and cooling system breakdowns. Dirty air filters reduce the airflow, which is actually going to make your system work that much harder, going to reduce its efficiency and raise your energy bills. Change your air filters, preferably once a month. The last item, which gives me heartburn and keeps me up all night, is cleaning your dryer vents. Get in there, clean all the lint out, even vacuum it to get even more dust and debris out of there, so your dryer is running more efficient, reducing any chance of a fire or any safety hazard. What home maintenance jobs do you not like doing? Let us know in the comments.